Are you looking to sell your home? That's right, transfer these keys to somebody else and maximize your profit. I'm Pam Harrison with Keller Williams Realty. Let's go along today and get some tips on how to make that happen for you. First and foremost, prior to doing any renovations, ask your real estate agent to do an evaluation on your home and discuss your plans with them. It's important to know how much return on an investment you'll be getting. Additionally, it will help you determine how much you should spend or if it's even necessary. As great as HTV is sometimes, those renovation plans are simply overkill. Short of knocking down walls, adding extra bedroom, there's several things you can do immediately to improve the value of your home. Start with what everyone sees first. Try increasing curb appeal with simple landscaping, fresh flowers, and a fresh coat of paint. Second, look for dated items in the interior and consider replacing things like cabinetry, hardware, lighting fixtures, and touch-up walls. That's right, a little paint touch-up goes a long way. Last, make the home low maintenance by replacing or repairing old components that have excessive wear and tear, like an old hot water heater. For more information on selling your home or your property, call or text me at 864-921-3709. And thanks for watching, and always remember, I'm Pam One Call, where one call does it all for all your real estate needs. Bye now.